Today's dish is going to be prawn curry. Now, before we get into it, let's take a look at the ingredients that we'll be needing to make this dish. So first up, I have potatoes, prawns, onions, ginger and garlic paste, curry leaves, green chili, tomatoes, cooking oil, chili powder, fish powder, turmeric, and coconut cream, as well as salt. Now let's get into it. So before we start, first we'll need to marinate the prawns. Add in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to the prawns, as well as 1 teaspoon of salt. So right here I have 10 prawns in this Tupperware. Once the turmeric powder and the salt have been added in, stir it. Make sure all the prawns are well coated with the turmeric as well as the salt. Once that is done, we'll keep it aside.
Meanwhile,
let's start cooking while it marinates. Add in cooking oil. This will roughly be 4 tablespoons, 4 to 5 tablespoons. Once the oil is heated up, add in onions. I'm using 2 small onions which have been chopped. Stir the onions for about 40 seconds just to let it cook. Then can add in the green chili, 1 green chili, which has also been sliced. Now add in the ginger and garlic paste. This is 1 tablespoon. Ginger and garlic paste is a very good trick and tip that you really need in your kitchen. So if you're not sure how to make it, check out the link in my description to watch how you can make your own at home, and it is a lifesaver in the kitchen. Continue stirring all of this. Then you can add in curry leaves. And just continue stirring it. And now you can add in the tomatoes. I'm using 2 tomatoes which have been chopped. So the tomatoes not only adds in flavor, but it also gives a volume to the dish. Potatoes. I'm using 2 potatoes. So the potatoes too will add volume to the dish. So cover it and let it cook for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, Open the lid and just check if the potatoes are actually cooked. So you can see it's nice and soft. I'm able to mash it. So play by ear to check if the potatoes are cooked. That's how you know how long to let it cook. Now I've added in chili powder 1 tablespoon, and now I'm adding in fish curry powder 2 tablespoons, and turmeric powder I'm adding in 1 teaspoon. Stir everything well. Cover it with a lid once again. And after about a minute or two, open the lid and just stir it for a little bit. You want the chili powder and all to really blend in and cook well. And then we'll add in the marinated prawns. A quick tip, if you're making prawns for the first time, you'll know the prawns are cooked when it turns pink. Cover it with a lid once again. And halfway through, just add in a little water, about 3 tablespoons. And when you see the prawns turn pink, then you can start adding in salt, 1 teaspoon, stir it. So you can see that the prawns have already turned pink, which means that it's nicely cooked. Smells so good already. Now we'll be adding in the coconut cream, also known as santan. So I'm adding in half a cup first. Just stir it. Then add in the balance of the coconut cream, also known as santan. So in total, I used 1 cup. Just gently stir it and let the santan cook for a bit. so that all the flavors really come together. It really smells so good already. Can't wait to try this delicious meal. And that's it. The dish is ready to be served. This is an incredibly simple dish that you can make at home. I know prawn curry may seem to be a dish that's gonna take you a whole lot of time to make, but it only took me 30 to 35 minutes in total to make this incredible dish. It's super easy, it's filled with so much of flavor, and the aroma is amazing. And not to forget that this curry is cooked from scratch, so you don't need any of those jarred, pre-packed food, because trust me, when you make it on your own at home, you will lick your plates clean. And what are you waiting for? Try it and you'll be amazed at how good it really is.